missed it. You Zoo, wanna go to the car wash? Let's go to the car wash, Zoo. Just do the one over there. Oh, you look so beautiful and so sweet. Enter. We have a Hanna system. Yeah, just and there's someone going through it with us too. Yep, we have someone in there. So it's pretty busy today, y'all. There's your wash options. Pause if you want to read. We have $12, $10, $8. We are going to be getting the $12 car wash because this car is filthy, filthy, filthy. Filthy. See all that dirt over there? And this is Azuki's first time at the car wash. So you can see they're getting the dryer things, and looks like they're being sent through now. Oh, there you go. You can see their gas station. Sadly, the other two do not have car washes. This car wash was not here when the gas station was open. This was actually added on later. This is a bit unusual title. You actually put it in twice. Pre-wet.
What kind of car wash can I get you?
The $12.
$12 one. Okay, just like him. I'm gonna shoot you through. I'm gonna run inside, get your guys' receipts, and bring your cards out to you.
Okay.
So you kill two birds with one stone. Thank you kindly. Come on.
So, did he say we have to get out of the car? Or what did he say what's gonna happen? Oh. I had a pay machine, see? The pay machine has never worked. Brazil, first time at the car wash. I might do a silent take on a different video, guys. So this is a special type of car wash video. Looks like they're using the machinery as part storage shed. Got the disabled pay machine. Car wash. Okay, here we go. We're starting off with some pre-soak, which they call pre-wet. This one is in particular a little bit slower, but it's a Hanna system, so Hanna systems are known for being slower. Got the brushes. Sorry about the shakes, y'all. This camera's super hard to handle. you? Is it the car wash? Got the dryers. These dryers suck. They used to be a lot better when they were new, but they're not much better. Now we have to wait for the and oh, you jumped the roller. Look at that, we have glitch. And oh, he popped the roller. You drove over the roller, it was still gonna push you out. But never mind. Car wash. No, it was still behind.
Oh, there's still one.
Yeah, see, it's still there. Yeah, see, it was gonna dry you. Well, I guess we can just hand towel. And there's no vacuums here, so if you have to if you want to vacuum, you have to go across the street to one of these two gas stations. Each have one vacuum. But anyway, sorry about that little slip up. We're not used to tunnels pushing you by the front like that, so just kind of a little bit of confusion. But other than that, yeah. So yeah, guys, this was a video of Azuki, the puppy dog, reacting to the car wash. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe. And thank you, everyone, and have a great day.